So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart your career in analytics, data, and research with one of the world's top consulting firms? So, well, here's some great news. Bain Company is hiring for analyst PEG for their New Delhi office, and this could be your golden ticket into the world of top tier management consulting. So, in this video, I will cover the job responsibilities, skills required, salary expectations, along with career growth, and how you can apply to land your dream job. So make sure to watch the video till the end and join our WhatsApp group where we provide direct job links to apply to all the jobs. We actually share 5 to 10 plus jobs daily. So and also we provide exclusive referral opportunities as well in the group. Now let's dive in. So let's understand a bit about the company as you can see on your screen. So Bain Company is actually one of the top global company and is one of the top management firm working with the world's most ambitious change makers to redefine industries and drive innovations. So yeah, they have just mentioned everything that in 2004 the firm established its presence in Indian market by opening the Bain Capacity Center in Delhi. So the company opened their first center in India in 2004, and since then the company has seen a very huge amount of growth. The location, as I mentioned, is going to be New Delhi, and job title as analyst, and you would be working in the department of analytics, data, and research. Employment time is going to be permanent, so this is going to be a great opportunity for you to um, be a full time and gain as much skills as possible. Sorry. Ben's capability network plays a critical role in supporting global team with data, analytics, and research solution. So this team is responsible for helping private equity clients make key investment decision with survey analytics, digital diagnostic, workforce analytics, and disruption assessments. So eligibility criteria for this role is going to be, um, as you can see over here, they have mentioned everything. So you need a bachelor degree in the discipline like computer science, IT, or any other field, along with strong academic credentials and analytical abilities. So and work experience up to 0 to 2 years are allowed, and preferred experience also they have mentioned, which is you have business research or consulting exposure, knowledge of Thomson, CapitalIQ, Factiva, DNB, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Tableau, Alteryx is going to be plus. So and also you should be a quick learner, willing to get into the details, like keen to detail person they are looking for, and you must have the familiarity of the things I mentioned like Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So these are all going to be your experience and skill sets required for this particular role. Now let's come to the day-to-day responsibilities at the company, like what you would be doing when you join the company as analyst. So your roles and responsibility would sounds like conducting data-driven analysis to support investments decisions, generating business insights, and building a strong analytical models. Along with that, you will be using data visualization tools like Tableau for impactful presentations. You would also be working with the global teams across industries like tech, retail, and healthcare. You would be dealing with problem solving and strategic thinking to tackle complex challenges. So, this role offers you exposure to private equity, corporate research, and analytics, making it a great career building opportunity. So salary you can expect somewhere around 10 to 15 lakh because it is one of the top company, and it's also, you know, there are roles like that you can get career path from here, that you'll be moved to senior analyst, from analyst then manager, then partner, and so on. And as we know that Bain and Company is ranked number one consulting firm on Glassdoor best places to work, and is known for its career growth opportunity and work culture. So it is ranked as number one in terms of work culture. So just you can understand by this that how good the company's culture would be. So this is all about the company and your roles and responsibilities and salary that I just discussed. So how you can apply to this particular role? So I will be mentioning the direct link in the description. You can just go and apply as soon as possible, and try to take referral from your LinkedIn connections. Try reaching out to people, the recruiters and all, if you want referral in this particular role. So that's it for this, and uh, that was everything you need to know about the Bain Company analyst opening. And if you are interested in analytics research and consulting, then this is an amazing opportunity to work with a top tier firm. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment. I will personally reply and help you for sure. And share this video with your friends who are job hunting, as this is going to help them a lot. Like, share, and subscribe for more job updates, interview tips, and career guidance. Join our WhatsApp group for direct jobs, links, and referrals. That everything would be mentioned in the description. Do check it out. Yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video.